Hey guys, I'm actually really excited today. Today, I'm going to be doing a compost garden. So, I come across a bunch of bargained out plants on sale and a bunch of soil that was on sale, so I decided to make a bargain garden. In making this bargain garden, I decided why not do a compost heap underneath the garden to start breaking down. Now, I've seen a bunch of people put logs and stuff in theirs to fill their risen garden beds up. So I'm thinking it's going to be very similar to that, but utilising it as a compost so it breaks down underneath. And then hopefully in 6 to 12 months, I'll have some good soil to work with. You going to help me build a garden? I'm not really buying anything in for this compost. Obviously, I'm just utilising stuff around the property. We've got bark, we've got tree debris, we've got a bit of... It's a soil ash mix because we just went through a bushfire. We had it burn down into ash, so I'm utilising that in it. The border of it will be done with the posts that we've cut down from the burnt down logs. The big log at the back will be at the front. And on top of all the compost, we will have the soil I picked up for $3.50 a bag. Okay, so to get some nitrogen into my compost, I have went around and gathered up a bunch of weeds and grass just around the property here. I haven't been picky at all. So just chucking a string line up between the two trees so I can keep my trench for the logs straight, and then we'll get into it. Now what I'm going to do is pull this big ass log into this part here and then put all our little ones on the outside. Perfect. Now, got the big fella in. We're going to put the rest of the little fellas standing upright on the outside just to make the rest of the garden border, and then we'll start putting the compost in. I've just finished getting the lining of the garden bed done. So next step is doing the compost underneath the garden bed that we're going to actually put in. So we're starting, I've got to stop saying so, don't I? Well, we're starting with the broken down bark off the trees that burn or that we've cut down on the property since the fire. Then we're going to an ash soil. So once again, from the fire, it's burnt. We've got a lot of charcoal that one through this soil itself, so that will be utilized in it as well. Then we've just got a bunch of debris from the actual land itself, leaf, little tiny sticks, bunch of different kind of grasses, weeds, like there's multiple in there. And then on top of this layer, so that's the compost layer, we then are going to put our potting mix. That's where our garden bed goes on top. After we get all these layers in, hopefully we have a fully functioning garden bed and we can get some plants in. So what do you think of Mum's new garden? Alright, so that is the compost and the soil all in. We've got the border on, all secure. Now, all we've got to do is get the plants in. Alright guys, last plant. Oh, what a day this has been getting this garden together. I have enjoyed it though. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a beautiful little flower? I've had a great fun doing this today. Utilising, trying new stuff. I'm just going to put this down there so you can see. So it gives you a decent amount of dig into the compost part. And then we're just going to loosen the roots up because I really hate these store-bought plants. Push it down in there like that so I can spread out. Pack the soil around. All right. Looks like we've got it done. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Compost is underneath the garden, veggies are in. Let's see how we go. Now, if you've liked the content today guys, leave us a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.